Today we will be exploring some of the best platforms for crypto arbitrage. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're talking about making money in the crypto space, and more specifically, how you can capitalize on something called crypto arbitrage. Now, if you don't know what that is, don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know exactly what it is, but I'll also give you the names of the best platforms to use to start making money from this strategy. So make sure you watch this whole video, because I'm going to be breaking down each platform, its pros and cons, and how to actually execute this strategy for yourself. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first platform we're going to be talking about is Binance. And the reason we're talking about Binance first is because if you're even remotely into crypto, you've heard of this platform. It's practically a household name in the crypto world. It's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, crypto exchange out there, and for good reason. Binance has built a reputation for being reliable, secure, and user-friendly. They've got a massive selection of cryptocurrencies. Like, seriously, it's kind of ridiculous how many cryptos they have on there. From the most popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins, Binance has it all. But that's actually a good thing, especially when it comes to arbitrage. The more coins they have, the more opportunities there are for price discrepancies, right? This is where the magic of arbitrage comes into play, because the more coins they have, the more opportunities there are for price discrepancies, right? You can find those little gaps in prices between different coins and different markets, and that's where you can make your profit. And that's what arbitrage is all about. Finding those little price differences and exploiting them. It's like a treasure hunt, but instead of gold, you're finding profit opportunities. Now, Binance also has some of the lowest fees out there. This is crucial because high fees can eat into your profits, especially when you're dealing with small price differences. I mean, we're talking fractions of a percent per trade. These low fees mean you get to keep more of your hard-earned profits. And when you're doing arbitrage, where your profits are dependent on these small price differences, those low fees can make a huge difference. Every fraction of a percent saved is more money in your pocket. And on top of that, Binance has got crazy high liquidity. This means there's a lot of trading activity happening on the platform at any given time. That means there are tons of buyers and sellers at any given time, so you can get your trades filled quickly and easily, without having to worry about slippage or anything like that. High liquidity ensures that you can enter and exit trades without significant price changes. So overall, Binance is a really solid option for crypto arbitrage. It's got all the features you need: a wide range of trading pairs, low fees, and high liquidity. It's got all the features you need: a wide range of trading pairs, low fees, and high liquidity. But like any exchange, it does have its drawbacks. One thing to keep in mind is that Binance is a centralized exchange. That means they're in control of your funds. So you have to trust them to keep your money safe. Now, Binance is a pretty reputable exchange, but it's always a good idea to be aware of the risks involved with centralized exchanges. Another thing to consider is that Binance can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. There's a lot going on, a lot of information to process, and the interface can be a bit confusing if you're not used to it. So, if you're just starting out, you might want to start with a simpler exchange and then move up to Binance once you're more comfortable. But overall, Binance is a great option for crypto arbitrage, especially if you're looking for a wide range of trading pairs, low fees, and high liquidity. It's a platform that offers a lot of potential for those willing to navigate its complexities. Alright, so moving on, let's talk about Kraken. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, Kraken is a name you definitely need to know. It's one of the most established and respected exchanges out there. Now, Kraken is another really popular exchange, and it's known for being super secure. In fact, security is one of the main reasons why so many people trust Kraken with their digital assets. I mean, they take security very seriously, which is definitely a good thing, especially in the world of crypto. They employ a range of advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of their assets, and regular security audits. So, if you're someone who's a little bit paranoid about security, and let's be honest, we all should be, then Kraken is definitely worth checking out. Their commitment to keeping your funds safe is second to none. But security isn't the only thing Kraken has going for it. They also offer a wide range of features that cater to both novice and experienced traders. They also have a really advanced trading platform. This platform is packed with tools and features that can help you make informed trading decisions. Now, this might be a bit much for beginners, but if you're a more experienced trader, you'll appreciate all the features and tools that Kraken has to offer. From advanced charting tools to various order types, Kraken has it all. And like Binance, Kraken also has a good selection of trading pairs. This means you can trade a variety of cryptocurrencies without having to switch platforms. It's not quite as extensive as Binance, but they still have all the major cryptocurrencies as well as a decent selection of altcoins. This makes it a versatile platform for different trading strategies. So, you should be able to find plenty of arbitrage opportunities on Kraken. This can be particularly useful for traders looking to capitalize on price differences between various exchanges. However, one thing to keep in mind is that Kraken's fees are a bit higher than Binance. This is something to consider, especially if you're planning to trade frequently or on a smaller budget. They're still competitive, but it's something to be aware of, especially if you're trading on a smaller budget. The fees can add up over time, so it's important to factor this into your trading strategy. Overall, Kraken is a great option for traders who prioritize security and want a more advanced trading platform. It's a solid choice for those who are serious about their trading and want a platform that offers both security and advanced features. They might not have the lowest fees or the widest selection of trading pairs, but they make up for it with their robust security measures and powerful trading tools. If security and advanced trading features are what you're after, Kraken is definitely worth considering. Now let's move on to Huobi. Huobi is another one of those massive exchanges that's really popular in Asia, but it's starting to gain more traction in other parts of the world as well. And one of the things that sets Huobi apart is their flexible trading interface. They have a really customizable platform that you can tailor to your specific needs, which is great for traders who like to have everything just so. Huobi also has a wide range of cryptocurrency pairs. They're always adding new coins and tokens, so you're likely to find some hidden gems on Huobi that you might not find on other exchanges. And this is especially good for arbitrage, because the more obscure the coin, the more likely it is to have price discrepancies across different exchanges. However, one thing to be aware of is that Huobi has been known to have some customer support issues in the past. So, if you're someone who needs a lot of hand-holding, Huobi might not be the best option for you. Overall, Huobi is a good option for traders who want a flexible trading interface and a wide range of cryptocurrency pairs. They might not have the best customer support, but they make up for it with their customizable platform and diverse selection of coins. Alright, last but not least, let's talk about Bitfinex. Now, Bitfinex is a bit different from the other exchanges we've talked about so far. It's not just another trading platform, it's a sophisticated ecosystem designed for those who are serious about trading. It's more geared towards professional traders and has a bit of a steeper learning curve. This means that while it might be intimidating at first, the rewards for mastering it can be substantial. But if you're willing to put in the time to learn the ropes, Bitfinex can be a really powerful tool for arbitrage. The platform offers a wide range of features that can help you take advantage of market inefficiencies. One of the things that makes Bitfinex so powerful is their advanced trading features. These tools are designed to give you an edge in the market, allowing you to execute complex trading strategies with ease. They offer things like margin trading and leverage trading, which can really amplify your profits if you know what you're doing. These features allow you to borrow funds to increase your trading position, potentially leading to higher returns. But of course, these features also come with increased risk, so it's important to understand how they work before you start using them. Leverage trading, for instance, can lead to significant losses if the market moves against you. Bitfinex also has a really active community of traders. This community can be an invaluable resource offering insights, tips, and support to help you navigate the complexities of the platform. So if you ever have any questions or need help with anything, there are plenty of people who are willing to offer advice and support. Engaging with this community can significantly enhance your trading experience. However, one thing to be aware of is that Bitfinex has had some regulatory issues in the past. These issues have raised concerns among some traders, but the platform is actively working to address them. They're working on becoming more compliant, but it's something to keep in mind if you're concerned about regulatory uncertainty. Staying informed about these developments can help you make more informed trading decisions. Overall, Bitfinex is a great option for experienced traders who are looking for advanced trading features and a strong community. The platform's robust tools and active user base make it a compelling choice for those who are serious about trading. They might not be the most beginner-friendly exchange, but they offer a lot of power and flexibility for those who know how to use it. If you're willing to invest the time to learn and engage with the community, Bitfinex can be a highly rewarding platform. So there you have it, guys. Those are just a few of the best exchanges for crypto arbitrage. Now, I know this can be a lot to take in, especially if you're new to all of this. But the important thing is to just get started. Do your research, pick an exchange that you're comfortable with, and start small. You don't need to be moving millions of dollars around to make money with arbitrage. Even a few $100s can be enough to get started and start seeing some profits. And as you get more experience and more comfortable, you can always start increasing your position sizes. But most importantly, remember to manage your risk. Arbitrage might seem like a risk-free way to make money, but there are always risks involved in any type of trading. So make sure you understand the risks before you start, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With that being said, I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.